Hello, everybody. We just got through. Uh, okay. Let me start this over. Hey, everybody. I'm so glad for y'all to see me. This is Papa Son. Well, I done got two animals. And I just made a pen for them because I can't keep them in my back. And I'm thinking about putting the pen right here. Or I could put the pen, well, I don't know. I don't know where I should put it. Oh, Lord. Let's see here. Plus, I've been adding on to the base. I didn't have enough room. So I'm building this whole back end, moving everything back here with all the crafting stations. Oh my God. Uh, where do I want to put this damn pen? Because I was thinking down there where I was at. Yeah. Well, how's that up there? How big is it? Whoa. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Look at there. I didn't realize it was that damn big. Oh. Oh man, that something is just humongous. Hey, that's okay. Now, let me go get some okay. Let me go get some food. Might have to go kill some animals. I don't think I got anything. No, I'm gonna have to go kill some. Let me go kill them before I put the animals in there. Let's go kill some real quick. Throw that away. I don't need that. Yeah, let's go kill some deer. Some deer, some gazelles, whatever the hell you want to call them damn things. Mr. Elephant, I ain't fooling with you, so you leave me alone. I found out I can one-shot the deer if I hit them in the head. Come on now, don't run away. Ah, I'll go over here. Yeah. Yeah, if I just get in front of them, aim dead for the face, I can get them with a one shot. Like this. Well, let me stand them and get up. Have a drink of water. Oh, let me waste my arrow. Damn it. Y'all quit walking. Oh. I've been working on all the others. How come it didn't work on this one? Son of a goon. Now that's strange. Real strange. Shoot you in your butt. Yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Yeah, I get plenty of meat. I should have brought my cleaver. But that's okay. We need to hide too. What the hell? Y'all come on. Where the other one go? There it is. Will my axe give me any more? Oh yeah. We'll get one more. Oh, that's a male. Gotta be kidding me. Okay, I believe that'll be enough to get us going. How many pieces of meat did that give us? 28. Okay. Get some bandages. I'm kind of... Oh, crap. Leave me alone, Mr. Elephant. Sorry if I'm walking too damn close. Okay, let's go put some of these... We'll put these animals in the pen so we can go ahead and get us a rhino and an elephant. Yeah, I had to snatch and grab the rhino on the run because I had, ooh, they was after me. Okay, okay, go in there. Let's put all this hide up first. Yeah, get in there hot now. What have I been doing with the horn? I think they're in the... No. Here, that's where they're at. Okay, now. Not there. There's the baby rhino. There's the baby rhino. Okay, now where's the elephant? Where'd he go? Is he out here in this one? Yep, there's the baby elephant. Okay. I know I'm overcumbered, but we're just going down the hill. Damn, look how big that sucker is. I'm not sure what kind of... Well, I'm just gonna put some meat in there. And the elephants, he just eat berries? I don't know. Animal pen, okay. I'm gonna put... Where'd it go? Rhino? Elephant? Oh, I need fiber. That's all I need is fiber. Don't need no meat. Huh. Okay, well let me go pick some fiber real quick. Yeah, come on, you can do better than that. We'll get a little bit more. We got two big, gonna be two big old boys. Make sure they got plenty. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Buddy, let's put you a bandage on here. Come on now. $68's all I had. Where'd I put it? Okay. That's it. Okay, they both cube. Okay. Would they eat seeds? I don't know. I'll leave you there. And some berries. Okay. Okay, folks. I just wanted y'all to see what was going on. That we got some animals. Okay. I'm gonna go pick a bunch more fiber, put it in there. And then we'll get back with you. Yeah, this is a beautiful countryside over here. Bull and them was telling me about some cats over here. So far, I ain't seen nothing but damn warthogs or wild boar, whatever you want to call them. I don't want no pig. So I'm just over here looking around, which you can see on the map. I'm kind of way up there a little bit. But we're just running around, trying to find some more animals. What the hell is this? Okay. Some kind of village over here? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, we got it. I see a bridge. Oh, Lord. Probably something I don't want to go into. No, not by myself. That looks like a community. If I go in there, then I'm gonna have to, most likely gonna die. I just plainly put it. Okay, well, we're just gonna wander around here a little bit. And if I run across any animals, well, any animals that I want to keep, I'll bring y'all back. Okay, see y'all in a little bit. Oh crap, I done run across some rock donkeys. Oh crap, run boy, run. Get it, get it. Oh crap, there's a whole slew of them down there. See, there's a rock donkey. Oop, come on. You can do this. You can pretty much outrun all the animals. I just go ahead and kill him and get it over with. Seemed like he didn't want to stop. Got him. I don't think he's got anything. Oh, I don't have any of that stuff on me to check him. Nope. Okay, let's go ahead and heal. Hey, mountain goat. A ram. Can I make some more bandages? Consumables? Yeah, what is this, fiber? Yeah, we just make them as we go. Yeah, they said there was some kind of cats over here in this area. Yeah, might be across the river. Had to give that a try. Okay, if I find them, I'll bring y'all back. Okay, I'm back. I got ran upside the mountain by something. It was so damn dark I couldn't even see. Let's ease over here and see what. See, there got a bunch of wild boars over here. Oh, that's buffalo. I'll be damned. Who's chasing? That damn buffalo, I'll be damned. Uh-oh, now we got deer. Got all kind of crap over here. Yeah. See what all we could run into. Uh-oh. I don't know what all we got over here, folks. I just want to find some baby cats. Have them for a pet. That's all I want. There's a deer. Where we at on the map? Wait a minute. I seen something. Uh-oh. What was that? I don't know what that was, but it didn't sound friendly. Where you is? There's the music. Oh, the wolf up there. Look like a wolf over there. Hell, I'd take some baby wolves. You ain't even going after that deer. I didn't see no baby wolves hanging around. But I'm just going to do a drive-by, snatch and grab. Uh-oh. See any babies? Let's run up in here. Can't believe they ain't got no damn babies over here. Oh, quit your fussing. All right, and we're back, folks. My damn man, my computer crashed on me. On the other, when I was out looking for some more animals, but I went to go get some more thralls, or try to get one. I got one, a level 2 fighter. I had him, bringing him back, and on the way back, I seen some baby tigers. And there wasn't just 2 of them. There was a whole freaking pack of them. There was, oh man, I grabbed one on the run. They wind up killing my thrall. And killed me about 3 times, but I finally got him back. Found some hyenas. And there's my rhino. There's my elephant. Oh, it's a mammoth. Ooh. Okay, you're not a regular elephant. Yeah, we got an ostrich. I just got him because I could. Ostrich, I don't know what the hell he gonna do, but he's here. So, I got down in here, and I put these other ones. Get your ass, boy. What is it with you and climbing? So I got it. Oh man, don't freeze up. Oh, good God Almighty. There's a hyena. Whoa, quit that now. And there's my tiger. So, what I want to do, okay, good, they're fit. What's this? I'm crafting something done. What? Must be from, huh. But, yes, we got us a tiger, 2 more hyenas. Oh, I know what I want to do. Yeah, when I went through my town, Muron, there was a puppy running around. Oh, damn, I got 3 on me, so I'm way overweight. Yeah, there was a puppy, and it let me pick him up. So I got to put him in the pen. So, tell you what, let's go ahead and put these out here. Yeah. Yes, because the tiger's going to be going with me all over the place. 3. There we go. There he is. 6. We're going to put you there. And here comes my buddy. He's going to be my buddy. Yeah. Let's see. What kind of snacks, food. So that's the kind of food you'll eat, huh? Bone broth? So you'll eat raw. Oh, farrow flesh. Don't know what kind that is. Okay, so as long as I keep you some food. Okay. You guys stay there. Where's that puppy at? We'll put the puppy in here. Where's he at? Puppy. Yeah, boy. Where you go? Oh, there's the puppy. Okay. Let's go put the puppy in, folks. See if we can't get us. Probably have us a pet around the house. I'm gonna have to name you. I think I named you Simba. No, that's too cliche. I'll have to come up with a name. Damn, I understand them already. Good God Almighty. 4? Okay. Come on. Okay, we got 16 meat. Let's put a puppy in there. Ooh, what does he eat? Okay, folks, we're going to call it there for this episode. If you like, give us a thumbs up, hit that big old like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode. Bye.